Before moving on to the final artwork, it's time to break each page down into individual panels. Open your first page, and let's use it as an example. The sketch you created in the previous step is automatically added as the background, giving you a visual guide while building your page layout. To get started, open the panel layout presets and choose a layout that fits your scene. For example, we'll select a simple 3-panel layout. To edit the layout, double-click a panel to enter editing mode. You can then resize and reposition each panel until the composition feels right. If you want one panel to overlap another, simply change the panel order on the right. Move panels forward or backward to create the exact layering you want. Next, let's work on the artwork for the first panel. Click the image icon to either sketch directly inside the panel or upload a higher resolution image from your computer. Once the image is added, you can scale and reposition it so it fits perfectly within the panel. Click on Done or hit Enter on your keyboard to confirm the changes. Let's start writing the script. Click the Add Balloon button to create your first speech balloon. You can directly type your text into the balloon. On the right, you'll find several options to customize it, including its background, the shape of the balloon, the line settings, and whether you want to hide the balloon tail. Resize your balloon by dragging any corner handle. You can freely move the balloon anywhere on the panel. If you prefer writing directly from the script, simply type your dialogue or caption into the script editor. Skrimta automatically creates the corresponding balloon for you. Within the panel editor, you can then resize and reposition the balloon. You can expand the script editor to focus entirely on your script while still keeping the page layout in sync. For each balloon, you can choose whether it's a caption or dialogue spoken by a specific character. In this example, we'll assign the dialogue to the main character, Cassidy Vale. If the character doesn't exist yet, simply click the plus button to create a new one. Character names are linked throughout Skrimta, so you can open their profile at any time to review or edit their details. Each panel also includes fields for shot and scene. These are especially useful when collaborating with an artist, helping communicate camera angles and scene directions more clearly. When exporting your script, these text fields can be included for reading outside Skrimta. Double-click any balloon to adjust its size and shape until it fits your layout. At the top, you can use filters to hide elements you don't need, allowing you to focus only on the dialogue, captions, or other information that's relevant at the moment. One of Skrimta's biggest strengths is that you always have access to everything you've created in previous steps. You can review the page description, the issue outline, and your narrative structure, and all without leaving the page. If your narrative structure is linked to an issue, you can jump directly to that chapter with a single click. You can also access your story summaries to stay on track with your storyline and maintain a consistent pace. Unread comments from collaborators and readers using your public share link are automatically displayed in the Comments tab. When you're ready for the next page, simply use the navigation buttons at the top to move forward and continue creating your panel layouts and script. If you hover over an image, you'll also find the option to download it in high resolution. This is especially useful when sharing your page sketches with an artist working in another program. You can also temporarily hide all balloons to focus purely on the artwork. Finally, when your page is complete, you can export the entire page with a single click, making it easy to share or continue working outside of Skrimta. Enjoy bringing your story to life with artwork and dialogue in Skrimta. With Skrimta, you turn ideas into stories.